Hi, today we will be discussing about the topic reverse only the strings. So let's consider this to be our given input. Our desired output should be to reverse only the letters of this string and to retain the special characters whatever it is in the same index or in the same position of the given string. So if you consider this particular string, when we reverse it, we should reverse it to D, C, B, and A, whereas this particular hyphen in this string is retained in the same position. So we should write a program to perform this particular activity. So as we discussed in our previous video, I'm going to create a list for the given string so that each and every letter gets separated and forms the elements of the list, so that it will be very convenient for us to manipulate the characters in that list. So I'm initiating an iterator I. One iterate we I'm going to use two iterators. One is starting from the zeroth index, and the other iterator will be starting from the uh, last character of the given list. So j is length of the list minus 1, which is from the last entry of the list. So while I is less than j, I'm checking if the character present in that particular index from the beginning is an alphabet and the last character is also an alphabet, because we should retain all the special characters in the same position as they are in the original string. That's why I'm checking only the alphabets in the given string. So if this particular condition passes, I'm going to swap the alphabets in those condition in those positions with the index of j and I. After swapping, I am incrementing the first pointer and decrementing the second pointer, because the first pointer I is from the beginning. So to move to the next element, I'm incrementing that particular pointer, whereas j pointer is pointing to the last character in the given string. So to move it forward, I'm decrementing that particular pointer's value. If both are alphabets, then it's fine. What if one is an alphabet and the other one is not an alphabet? So we have to cover such edge cases as well. So if the ith index is not an alphabet, I have to simply increment the ith pointer. If the entry in the jth index is also not an alphabet, then I have to decrement the pointer. When everything is done, okay, let me try to print it first of all. Print is sorry. Okay, let's see what is the problem here. String has no attribute alpha. Okay, okay, it should be is alpha. I'm sorry. Is alpha is the inbuilt function name. So if you observe, our list contains the reverse strings, and we have retained all the uh, non-alphabetical character in the same position. Now, as we discussed in our previous video, we have to join all these characters into a single string. So while returning the result, there shouldn't be any space between each and every character. So I'm joining it without any space. Join S. S is our list. Yeah, all the test cases are passed. Let me try to submit the code. Yeah, all the test cases have passed. So I will be sharing this particular solution in the Git link in the description. You can check it for future use. Thank you.